Hi guys, I'm showing you this wired headphone. So these days most people are using wireless, but this wired headset is sometimes really very helpful in terms you're not charging required and you can use it with your laptop, mobile and everything. This wired headset is basically very nice to use with this PCs these days. So like if you want to we just have a meeting silently, and you can see comes with the case. It's pretty nice, and then it have a lot of accessories that you can use. So say like this have the attachment for the computer, another aux adapter, additional earbuds, noise cancellation earbuds and stuff. So this is the hook, like you can put in the wire and then you can just clip it on your shirt or anywhere you want. And this is the wired nylon braided, so pretty solid. These are the noise cancelling earbuds, additional one, and the adapter. So this adapter you can use, I'm just showing like the size and the stuff, but you can use it with the other adapter to put it in the computer and stuff. So you can see this computer attachment, you can put in the computer and you can add in your headphone here. So this adapter like for additional aux thing, and these are the additional earbuds that if it's not working fine you can just replace with the different sizes. That will be helpful and comfortable for your wear. So changing is pretty easy, just take this out and put this in. So you can see this have the inbuilt mic here and the volume control button. That is helpful while doing, very comfortable in the ear. And this adapter and everything you can put in this small trendy box so that you can carry it anywhere you want. Pretty handy and portable. So these are the noise cancelling earbuds, they give it separately. This noise cancelling is to make sure that it's more airtight thing inside your ear, and they are the like two pair, and you can just put the same way. So into your ear thing, just take this one out and put this thing in. So you need to be careful like because of the socket thing, but once they are in, it's better that you can just use it. So it's pretty nice with all the accessories and set, and sound quality is also very nice.